This is Val, the Fresh Ocean Queen. I'm here at the Tequila Business Association, DBA. This is actually my banner. This is the queen in the middle, and that's me right there. So today, I'm actually giving gifts away because they're actually showcasing me as the featured business of the month. So I'm excited to share what I have, all these gifts, beautiful gifts. So when the look, all these people over there, they actually, some of them already have gifts in there. I have a little stress ball in there that they could play with. So yeah, so this is a giveaway. So whoever win that raffle, I'm excited for them to open it to show us what is in this. I'm really excited to know Nstar is able to video, to do this video, and definitely I have used Nstar a lot of times, and I'm telling you, I never regret it. So thank you. Okay, so everybody, for those who do not know me, I'm Val, the pressure washing queen. Only one of winners comes and I did no apology. The important thing is, for this tequila business, how I get to know tequila business, Mr. Phillip. Mr. Phillip introduced me to tequila because I'm part of the Small Business Samaritan. Ali, because of the event, beautiful event hall that she had, and I did a presentation. Some people said, "Val, why don't you join the tequila business?" But I was coming there, bringing people, but I wasn't joining. But then I realized, I'm the queen. I got to be everything. So I chose to join the tequila. Now, today we have giveaways coming from Jennifer and her team, her husband and the daughter. So that is goodie bag. It wasn't me, guys. It wasn't me. Another thing, the giveaway. So whoever wins that giveaway, please open it in front of me so I can see it. But pressure washing is not just pouring water in the house, right? And I don't blast your water, I blast dirt. So one family at a time, I will take care of residential as well as commercial. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to shine. I'm sorry. Did he introduce himself?
Nick, yeah, come on, Nick. I know you read everybody in the door, that's why.
So what I'm trying to do is creep the kids in. So I can see when I leave the house early in the morning, I don't just waste time. I try to get, people. So now you can see what I've been doing. So you will say, "Mommy, you wasting all time." Then just leave it. Thank you so much for
Nick, everybody, you were doubtful, pretty much. Leading by example.
Good. Great. That's awesome.
Whatever she do, I support.
Good job, Val. You did a good job.
Thank you.